Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys saw my delivery video, you know that my body cover was damaged from inside. So my bike was delivered on 6th of March. On 7th of March, the very next day, I raised a complaint with Ola's customer care support system. I got a ticket number on the same day. I also informed the Ola champion with the video evidence. So it is the sharp edges on this number plate which is damaging the body cover from inside. I know that most of you are yet to get your deliveries, so this video is to make you guys aware, and this video was shot on 16th March, exactly 10 days since my delivery, and an executive came to my house and replaced the body cover and made sure the body cover which was replaced was totally intact. We checked everything inside out, there were no damages, and according to him this cover came from a spare parts department. Next, he asked me the damaged cover. He had to click an image and send an evidence to his office that the damage was legitimate. The cover which came with the bike first while delivery had this logo, but the replacement cover didn't have this. According to him, the spare part section of the covers don't have that logo.
దీని కింద చూడండి నంబర్ ప్లేట్ వస్తుంది కదా అక్కడ ఇదిగా. సో బేసిక్గా ట్రక్లో తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఈ నంబర్ ప్లేట్ ఉంటుంది చూడు, పైన కింద అయింది అది.
If you guys are facing any problems or any kind of damages, stay in touch with the Ola champion. Also raise a ticket with the Ola support system. They might take a little bit time, but they are resolving it for sure. He had to submit this damaged cover at a nearby dispatch center. That's it for this one guys. Stay tuned. Until next time.